Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Taurus, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. What is the current energy for Taurus? Oh my God, Wheel of Fortune. Taurus, your time has come. Two of Swords. Taurus people, this is your current energy, Wheel of Fortune and Two of Swords. This is your partner's current energy. I feel that you people are waiting for something in life, okay? Perhaps you are being somebody who really wished to start something new, who really wanted to start something new, or perhaps you are somebody who wanted to uh, who wish to start a new chapter of your life. Whatever it is, your time has come. Believe me, with Wheel of Fortune is saying that your good luck has arrived. Okay, you need to open your eyes, you need to open your heart, and you need to listen to your intuition. Just listen to your gut feeling, what they say. If they say that go for that particular thing, then please do. Okay, because your good luck has started now. If you are somebody who was going through tough time, your tough time has over now. New chapter has started in your life, new time has arrived in your life. You are definitely going to see some new changes in your life. Okay, or if I talk about from love and relationship perspective, yes, something new is arriving in your life. It could happen that you are somebody who was single in past. Now you are going to be blessed with somebody who is going to be your lover, okay, who's going to be your soulmate. Or perhaps you are being somebody who does not want to be in any relationship, or who feels afraid to be in relationships. So you are going to be blessed or with somebody new in your life. Some new offer is arriving in your life. Something great is going to happen for you, Taurus. That's what I'm feeling with this Wheel of Fortune card. Okay, on the other hand, Two of Swords. This is your partner's current energy, Two of Swords. Taurus, I feel that your person is being somebody who does not want to see anything, who does not want to listen anything, who does not, who, I feel that they are somebody who is very focused. Okay, they have strong determination towards something in life. Perhaps they are somebody who really wish to start something new in their life too. Perhaps they are determined to, work really hard towards to get something in life, or to achieve something in life. They have high goals for them. Okay, they have high standards in life. Okay, they don't want to settle down on less. Okay, they are calm, they are, cool, but they are completely working towards their own success, towards their own growth, their expansion. Okay, they have emotions within them. They have, swords in their hand. That means they are not afraid to take action. Okay, perhaps they feel that it's okay to be emotional, but it's not at all okay to be an emotional fool. So on that theory they are working day and night. Okay, so they are really really working hard towards something in life. All right. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you, and what you feel about them and what they feel about you. How you see them and feel them, and how they see you and feel about you. Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Taurus, you feel and see them as somebody who is smart, who is a safe player, who does not want to get into such things which is not good for them. Okay, they take their own time to think about particular situation, particular scenario. They take their own time to confront their emotions. They take their own time to convey their feelings. Okay, they take their own time to take any action. Okay, first they see all the pros and cons. Okay, whether they should move ahead in life with that particular thing, particular job, particular location, particular person, particular relationship. Okay, they do a lot of analysis. Only then they, they come in on this conclusion that okay, now it's safe, now I should take action, or now it's not safe, now I should not take any action. So they, you see them as and feel them as somebody who is very mature, who is a safe player, who is somebody who, don't create any, who do not want to create any mess for them. All right. On the other hand, your person sees and feels you that something is there in your life which is bothering you, something is there in your life which is, giving you a lot of mental trauma. Okay, perhaps you are not that blessed as per them. You don't have, perhaps you are somebody who does not have family or family support. Okay, perhaps you don't have a home. Okay, or perhaps you are less fortunate in this world. Okay, who does not have good friends or good family members. Okay, so there is a lack of abundance, lack of prosperity in there in your life. That's how a person sees you, and that's how they feel about you. All right, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you are taking towards each other. Nine of Pentacles. Why this card is coming over and over again? Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Taurus, you are somebody who feels alone, who feels lonely, who has everything in life. Okay, or perhaps you feel that this person has everything in life. Why should I, you know, just jump into their life, and what is there in their life which is missing? Okay, they have everything. They have home, they have kids, they have everything in life. They have pets, they have money, they have abundance, they have prosperity. Then why should I take any action towards them? Okay, why should I, you know you know create a mess for them? Or why should I, just, destroy their mental peace? They are happy alone, let them be in that energy. So you feel that it's completely a waste of your time and their time to take any action towards it or towards them. Okay, on the other hand, Taurus, King of Wands, your person is eager to take action towards you. Okay, your person is like completely, they have this thing in their mind that one day they will definitely take action towards you. But at this point of time, they are completely focusing on their growth. They are completely focusing towards their expansion, towards their success. They really want to make some, create something big in life. Okay, so perhaps they feel that it's okay, one day I'll definitely take any action or some action towards my Taurus, but not right now. I should focus right now. I should focus on my studies right now. I should focus on my career, my job, my finances, and my expansion, my success. Okay, they have their own foundations, they have their own restrictions. Okay, perhaps they want to, genuinely wants to convey their heart, their emotion to you, but sometimes perhaps they feel afraid to confront their emotion. They feel that what if you, just refuse their proposal, what they will do. So they feel that it's okay to be to work on themselves rather than, chasing somebody. Mm-hmm. Now let's see how you feel in this relationship, and how they feel in this relationship. How you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. And how they feel in this relationship. Oh my god, oh my god, Oh my God, both of you knows. See what I told you in the beginning, Taurus, that something is about to start in your life, okay? It could be a new relationship, it could be a new job, it could be a new career, it could be anything. So something new is about to start in your life. A new phase of your life has been started, a new chapter of your life has been started. That's what I told you in the beginning of this reading, Taurus. Both of you are on a same page. Both of you are mirroring each other. Can you see this? Both of you are mirroring each other. Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords. That means both of you really wish to, or both of you have this sense of, acceptance that yes, something is there between you and them. Perhaps you guys are friends. Perhaps you guys are friends. Perhaps you have not thought about them, or perhaps they have not thought about you in love angle or in relationship angle. But something is there in your heart and mind, and it is for both of you. It is for both of you. Something is there in your heart and mind. Both of you feel that, both of you feel a sense of or urge to start something new with this person. Perhaps you feel that you are inclined towards them. Perhaps they feel that they are inclined towards you. No matter how hard you try to avoid your gut feeling, or how hard you try to avoid your intuitions towards this person, something is poking in your mind that yes, you need to start something new with this person, you need to take action towards this person. Okay, and this thing is for both of you. It's not that it's only you who wants to start something in this relationship, or it's only them who wants to start something in this relationship. It is a mutual agreement. Okay, perhaps you have not spoken on this thing, Taurus, but yes, somewhere in your heart, both of you really wish to start something new with each other. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential for Taurus. What's going to be the future potential for Taurus? What's going to be the future potential for Taurus? King of Pentacles. Taurus, I feel that it's you who is going to take a lot of time to confront your emotions, because being an earth sign, you are very, very tough. You are tough to open your heart in front of people. Okay, you are tough to confront your emotions. Okay, you are not somebody like air sign or water sign who is, who doesn't, I mean, what I feel is that whenever you are going to commit towards this person, you are going to stay, you will be very, very consistent in this relationship, you will be very, very passionate about this relationship. Okay, but you will take your own time to open up. You will take your own time. All right, now let's take few angel guidance messages for Taurus. Let's see what angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do. Perfect timing. Perhaps this is the perfect timing for you to move ahead in this relationship, Taurus. See, we have Wheel of Fortune, and this now angels are also saying that perfect timing. I think you should take action, because your this Ace of Wands is also asking you to take action. If you are not if you won't take any action right now, you will never ever get to see this person, you will never ever get to listen from this person, you will never ever get to hear from this person. Okay, now let's see what your person wants to tell you secretly, their love notes for you. Okay, so Taurus, the first love note for you is, I'll hold you in my heart until I can hold you in my arms. Your person, perhaps they are waiting for you to communicate. I think about you 24/7. Mm-hmm. I told you that something is going on within your heart and mind for, I mean, that, and this is a mutual thing. It's not that only you who is thinking about them or only they are thinking about you. It's mutual thing. I'm much more me when I'm with you. Mm-hmm. They believe in you, so why are you waiting? When what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and talk to them. You take my breath away. Our time apart is only temporary. And the last message for Taurus is distance means so little when someone means so much. Okay. So Taurus, I feel that some of you could be dealing with another earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this King of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this King of Wands and Ace of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign, with this Ten of Cups in reverse. And some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Two of Swords and Ace of Swords. Alright. So Taurus, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.